Well, students, today we will discuss on chapter number 6, that is lines and angles. First of all, we discuss some definitions or terms, basic terms. First one is line segment. Line segment. It is a part of a line. It has two end points. Next one is ray. Ray is also a part of a line which has only one end point and it can be extended one side up to infinity. Next one is collinear points. Collinear points. Three or more points in a line A, B, C. There are 3 points which are in a line. Then we called this point lie on same line. These are called collinear points. And non-collinear points. If these points are not in a line like this, if we join 2 points like this or this or this, so these 3 points are not in a line, then these points are called collinear points. Now angles. Angle. We have discussed in 5th chapter about angle. So angle is made by 2 rays joining at a common point, this. So the inclination of 2 rays between 2 rays is known as angle. And this common point is vertex of the angle, and the 2 different rays known as arms of the angle. These are arms. Here some types of angles. First one is acute angle. Acute angle. The measurement of this angle is less than 90. This is 90 degree. So the angle less than 90 degree or between 0 to 90 degree, less than 90, greater than 0, greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. This one. Here is an angle X. This is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. It is known as acute angle. We can draw this in this way. This is less than 90 degree. This one. Second one is right angle. Right angle. The measurement of this angle is exactly 90 degree. This one. Its measure is 90 degree. It is right angle. Next one, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. The angle which measures greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Less than 180 and greater than 90 degree. This one, like this here is 90 degree angle, greater than 90 this way, and less than 180 this. So the angle is obtuse angle. Next, straight angle. The measure of this angle is 180 degree. This one, this is straight angle or a straight line. Straight angle or straight line. Next one, reflex angle. Reflex angle, the measurement of this angle. See here, reflex angle. It is greater than here, greater than 180 and less than 360 degree. This one from here, greater than 180 and less than 360 degree. This is known as reflex angle. Or this one, this is reflex angle. Next, complementary angle. Complementary angle. The sum of two angles makes 90 degree. If sum of two angles is 90 degree, then both the angles are known as complementary angle. Here angle A plus B is equals 90 degree. These angles are known as complementary angle. Next, supplementary. Supplementary angle. If sum of two angles is 180 degree, like A plus B equal 180 degree, here we can draw two angles, this and this. If A, that is B, if A plus B is 180 degree, then these angles are known as supplementary or supplementary angles of each other. Next is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. If two angles are made with a common ray and one common vertex, like this. This is common ray and this is common vertex. So these angles, common ray with the different ray and this common ray and other ray different from common ray, these angles are known as adjacent angle. These are adjacent angles. Next, linear pair. Next is linear pair. if sum of adjacent angle is like this, 180 is sum of adjacent angle is 180. A plus B, here A plus B is 180 degree, then these angles are known as linear pair, and this statement is known as linear pair axioms. Linear pair axioms. Next one is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. If two lines intersect each other at a point, common point, this, the angle made in front each other, these are known as vertically opposite angles, and these are equal in measurement. In similar way, this angle and this angle both are vertically opposite angle, VOA. In short, we can write these angles VOA. Vertically opposite angles are equals. If that is 140 degree, then this will also 140 degree. If this is 40 degree, then this will also 40 degree. So we know vertically angles, opposite angles are equal. So that is enough for today.